Hey guys, first video like this doing a project. It's a project car that we have here trying to get everything done. We've done quite a bit that we'll try to throw some photos in when we get a chance. But today what we're trying to do is to get all this old wiring out of this car because I hate to put this car back together with, wiring from 1980. She's a 1980 vet. We bought the Painless wiring. I think I've seen a couple of guys try to do some stuff or do some stuff with Painless wiring. So I'm going to try to get this done. We're going to see how painless this is. We're going to see if we can, just get this thing done the way that it should have been done in 1980. All right, stick around. All right, so this is what we have. Painless wiring, brand new box. It has the 23 circuit Pro Series, GM keyed column, bulkhead firewall, and the number is 10403, 10403 is what I got. So we have here project. Like I said, we've done quite a bit to it so far, and I hate to put everything new in it and have, stuff like this, in it. So yeah, not too thrilled about having stuff like this hanging out somewhere powering this car. So I'm gonna try to get to work. Okay, welcome to hell. Gotta figure that out. And where to get everything pulled from. The next thing I see is how to get that out. And figure all of this. Yep. All this is going to be fun. I guess Painless didn't tell you about this part of it. All right, so prime example of why I did not want to put this car back together with, I don't know if it's not focusing or, I didn't want to put this car back together with 1981. This is friggin' duct tape. I mean, duct tape on, I don't know if it's speaker wires or what, but shit. Duct tape.
Family friendly.
Huh? Family friendly, okay. Family friendly. Duct tape. This camera is not focusing properly, but yep, there we go. See? All right.
Oh God.
So this is the kid.
Yes.
He's the youngest. And he is...
I mean, I would hope so. You're like 50, what, 57?
Shut up.
He's actually
57? What?
He's actually 52. So.
Yeah, we're just cutting shit out. We're not looking for sources of anything.
Family friendly.
Gosh. We're cutting stuff out.
There you go. Good job. Ooh.
Making some headway. Good job.
Thanks.
All right, I made some progress. Kid's clawing his way through life.
Sounds familiar.
Got some out. Got the rest here. We went and got stuff from Got all the stuff out from the back. If you can see. But yeah. Like I said, did a little bit of work to her so far. She's getting there. Just gotta get her done. So what we're trying to take out, the, is that it? The fuse box. Trying to get that out. So far we found one screw, we just found the other one somewhere up there. It is a, what's the socket? It's a 5/16 socket that we're using to take those screws out. In case there are questions. So that's the back side of it. So we got this one out, so we're gonna try to get this one. All right, see if you can find it, kid. Yeah, I can feel you're on it. Nice, yep, that's it. All right, pull the, yep, pull, keep going. There we go, yep, you're out. Took a shot of what that looks like on there, on the other side.
Okay, there you go. So yeah.
All right.
Whoo!
Streaming. It's good to be a dreamer. Yeah, I pulled that out of the thing.
What? I'm dreaming? What?
I said it's good to be a dreamer.
A dreamer? I can drive.
I know you can.
Okay.
But will you drive this?
Well, if we get it done.
If?
Oh yeah, if this thing has been sitting in your garage for like a good what, 6 years?
No.
Yeah.
3.
Dad, no.
3.
It was
3.
It was before the pandemic.
Yes, 3.
It's 2025. 2025 minus 3. What's that?
3. Everything takes time and money. Easy. Just. Is there another part that's connected to the top of it? Look under there and see if it's connected.
No, it's okay. No, there's nothing.
Nothing? No. All right, so just try to see if we can fish it through.
It's just.
Oh, this is part of it? Okay, claw that apart. Let's cut that. You lost it. Lost it.
Wait,
Lost it.
Not enough.
Lost it.
Right.
Here.
Aha! You put it up there. No problem. What, did you cut this off?
Yeah, just cut that. Oh, okay. I mean, snip it through. I mean, you're not going to cut that whole thing at once.
You want that?
Let's.
Oh, see that? Look at that.
What happens when you're young and full of something?
Something.
Good job. Okay. You're him?
I'm him.
Okay.
I am the almighty him. Oh my god, look at the wire.
You have to fish it, man. Don't just try to yank it out. Just.
Holy. Look at all that wire.
Yeah, look at that wire.
Look at all the guts.
Look at all the guts. Here. Is that part of the one that you just cut?
This?
Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. Come on. Yeah, keep on going the same way that you're doing it. Please don't break my steering wheel.
I'm not trying to break anything.
Okay.
Ow!
You're back.
Yes.
My neck, my back.
You're gonna get demonetized. Okay. This is a lot of guts, and I think there's tape that's...
There's something that's holding it?
Yeah.
Okay, folks, stay tuned. We're going to investigate this.
Okay.
Investigation complete. We got it out. He yanked it out. Good job. All right. Huh?
Actually, no, we're not.
Well, a couple of struggling things, but for the most part, I mean, the major headaches are out. Cool. Now what?
No, just try and drive off. What's that? What was that? What?
Yeah,
Is it good?
that's fine.
That's okay. That's
All right.
not... No, we just drive off.
Open the door a little bit. Let's get all this shit out. Oh yeah. Yeah. All right. And that, my friends, is what makes your car work. Huh?
That's Corvettes.
Car guts, yeah. You look good in it.
Huh?
You look good in it.
Thanks, man.
All right, so we were able to get quite a bit, if not the majority of the wiring, engine harness. I mean, we still have a couple of things there that we can't get to, but I'm not really worried about that for now. The main thing was to get this car, all the wires ripped out so we can start doing the thermal. So we got that done, wiped everything out, still drying. So while that dries, we're gonna try to get some of this thermal stuff, the barrier, the heat shielding, heated up, because it's been cold in Florida for the past couple of days. It's currently 68 degrees in the garage, 75. She's in good shape, she's pretty. And this is what we got. Hush mat. Good job, Vanna. So let's open that up, see what that looks like. Might need a knife. A knife.
I need a blade.
Need a knife.
Blade.
Knife.
Okay. That's the blade.
It's a knife.
Okay.
Cut away from you.
If you hear kids in the background, don't mind them. They're like 5. Yeah.
And we have all of them.
Yep. Do you care if like I just rip it open?
Do not rip it open, because just find the opening and open it properly. Or blade it, I don't know, whatever. Your choice. Hang on, wait. That's what it is that we got. All right. It's my kid's attempt at unboxing. Good job.
Thanks, Dad.
Interesting. No idea either.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah, smells good.
What, sniffing mats? Oh, okay. So it's not just individual panels. Gotta. Oh shit. Okay. All right.
So
All
what
right.
are we looking at here?
So we gotta cut it and put it in different spots in the car, like all over the flooring.
Oh, okay.
So, all right, this is gonna be fun.
So yeah, as you can tell, we're in kind of different. What?
The hair. You can do the same thing.
Nah, I need to get a haircut.
Oh, jeez. You're so pretty.
Nah, I might get a haircut tomorrow. Anyways, okay. Back on track. Yeah, as you can tell, we're in different clothes. And we did not finish that day. So, we're gonna hopefully finish this in the next coming month. Put part 2 out there because this is part 1 of just taking out the wires. So yeah, hopefully we'll get this done sooner than later. And yeah.
See you in the next 2.
Actually,
see you in part 2, not next 2. In part 2. Stop.
Do that again. Oh, do
Oh my God.
that same thing again.
Do you think people really want to sit there?
Do that same thing again. Good boy.